imagination. I wanna know what you dream about at night. Will be.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. 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 I'm Tia and I upload 4 times a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, then you're one of my little doll babies. Hi, doll baby. How you doing?
How are you doing?
So happy to have you here. I do mostly synthetic wig related content here, but today is a very special collab. I am collabing with Beauty Forever, and this is actually a human hair wig, and I have a whole video on why I prefer synthetic to human hair. However, this wig may have changed my mind. So I have all the clips of me getting her together and what I did to her that will follow this part of the review. And I also have the unboxing. This is the box that it came in. Unfortunately, FedEx is annoying and squished it, but it didn't hurt the wig. But this is the Beauty Forever, and it came in this box, and there was this bag inside. It also came with a wig cap, which I love, and it came with a scarf. They also sent me a silk scarf, one of their silk scarves, which will be in a separate review, but you will see me using this, and I just wanted to let you know they got me the silk scarf. It came in this, and it actually even came with the wig cap too, which I think is awesome. So that is that. So this is, let me get my Deets. I actually have Deets. Usually I just have to put them in the bottom. So this is their piano colored ombre lace closure. Okay, so it's got that piano coloring on it. It is a I mean, the dimension, there's a lot of color dimensions in here. It's definitely on the auburn side. It is a light brown with auburn, and then these sort of 27 piano highlights. I would not call this ombre. I would call this piano. This is a human hair. It says it's 16 inches. This is all the hair to the front. I'd say, yeah, it's about 16, 18 inches. It depends. I'm 5'6½". So it could be in between depending on your height. It retails for $118.50. I will give you the links and everything. So let's talk about this wig.
Welcome to Coffee Talk. I'm your host, Linda Richmond.
I don't normally mess with human hair wigs for a couple reasons. One, I don't like that you have to glue them down. I have to tell you, when I saw the cap construction of this wig, and if I think about it, I'll put it in here, but if not, you'll see it after this part. When I saw the cap construction of this wig, I was not happy at first because I had a synthetic wig with the same cap construction and I just didn't like it at all. However, so this is from here to here is a full cap wig, okay? Then you have this lace right here in the front, and then this is actually a skin top soft parting, and then there is lace in the back, so you could put it up. There it is. I showed in the cap construction, but you could put this up if you wanted. I will tell you, after working with this wig, I actually like this wig cap construction, and this could make me want to do human hair more. You do not have to glue this down. I had to tighten it a little bit. I'd say it's a medium to large wig cap, but I don't have the combs in or anything. I'm not having any issue with it. I would say because of the way it is, it lays flat. Like I had to put heat on it and stuff to lay it flat, but it lays flat, and I feel like you don't have to glue it down. You don't have to mess with it as much as you would if it was ear-to-ear lace, and I absolutely love it. Now, can you go like this? Well, no, but you know, you can go like this. I mean, you can put it back in a ponytail still. There's stuff that you could do with it. You just can't, I don't want to say can't. You could. You just have to create some edge hairs here if you wanted to do that, because a lace goes from about here to here. But for me, I feel like this is more of a lickety-split option for human hair wigs, and that was really the big thing. I never wanted to glue down my human hair wigs, and ooh, that looks cute.
I'm shook.
I never wanted to glue down my human hair wigs because I take my wigs on and off a lot, and also I have migraines, so I need to be able to take everything off when I get a migraine. I would say that I'm super pleased with this. I was skeptical, I'll have to tell you, I was skeptical at first, mostly because like I don't jam with human hair wigs. I absolutely love this. I think this is definitely a beginner-friendly human hair wig for sure. I think $118 is a fair price, especially for this 16 to 18 inch length. This is all the hair to the front, so the density is realistic. It is sort of a textured hair, but they definitely treated it with some kind of conditioner. I put a little bit of heat to it. That's the only thing I don't like, is you actually have to style it, which isn't like a big deal, but I'm so lazy now because I have synthetic wigs and they just come pre-styled. I do like this. The only thing I don't like is I don't like how they did the piano coloring because it just is like slapped on there, but because it's human hair, you can go ahead and dye that. Dye it, tone it, add some highlights, make it all one color. So I think in general, for what you're getting and the quality of this hair and how it feels, the cap is so comfortable. I'm okay with the whole piano highlight thing. That's something that can be corrected. And like I said, I have had human hair wigs in the past, and for this price, they're usually super, super short. So I really, really like this. And they're usually not this light color. It is difficult, I think, to find lighter colors. Let's look at her from the back. It's not so bad from the back. I put a little, you know, I did curl her a little bit with the flat iron. Not too much. I wasn't trying to go crazy with it. I like the effortlessness of having synthetic, so I would like the effortlessness in a human hair wig as well. Overall, I'm very happy, and I would definitely recommend this wig. So if you've had wigs from this company, please let me know down below what your thoughts are. And if you have any questions about this, if you'd like to see a few more human hair units on my channel, go ahead and put that down below as well. I want to thank Beauty Forever for collaborating with me, and I'm so pleased and happy with this wig, and I definitely recommend this wig, Beauty Forever wigs in general, based on this experience. So that is awesome. If there's any other human hair wig thing you want to see on my channel, put that down below. If there's another wig you'd like me to see or another type of video you would like me to see, also put that down below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have, thanks so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
In my imagination, I wanna know what you dream about at night. Will be in my imagination. In my imagination.